Hi guys, it's Cindy Leach, your polymer clay tutor, and today I'm going to show you how to make my faux flaky rust. And this is a really neat technique that looks just like a piece of rust that is flaking away. Now I'll show you a little close-up of what I've got here. It's got peeling areas that look all textured and rough looking. It looks just like a piece of flaking rust, like I said, and you can use it in a lot of neat different ways. Now you can use it for things like a bracelet, and I've got this faux rust really has a great look for steampunk and any kind of rustic type of technique or jewelry style that you're going to be making. This one here has some little gears and things attached to it, and I've done it with a riveting technique, which I've taught in a tutorial in the past. I've also used it in a pendant here, where I've got some other ephemera type things, and I've got a little piece of chain, some keys, some gemstones. This one was also riveted on to the back here. I've used some of the faux flaking rust in some earrings here. This would go nicely with that set there because it's got the matching gemstones. I've also used the technique in a different way. I've added it to the back of this little clock type pendant, and I've done it in some layering ways here. So that it really looks like you've just found an old relic. I also added some charms, and this is just such a fun technique to add this really rustic look along with something pretty and delicate like this little dragonfly charm and some keys, a nice little caned leaf that we've done before. I've also got another example of a bracelet here. Now this is done a little bit different. This one was using some brads, and you can see them through the back side there. And the pieces were given a bit of a curve so that it wears nicely on your wrist. As well, you can use the techniques because it's kind of in a sheet form, you can wrap them around things like little beads. I'll give you a bit of a close-up on this one. Now this one has oh, there we go, you can see it. It's really rusty looking. I've even put some little faux screws into the side of it, and you can use this flaky rust in all kinds of neat ways. I even used up the scraps to just ball together and make up this bead here. So I think you're really going to enjoy this technique. It is fun to play with and has lots of possibilities. I'll see you in the next video of this series.